So now we will create a ranged dot plots. How to create a ranged dot plots? So first of all, we will create a simple chart which will show me the region, and I will have two calculation. One is current month sales. For that, how will I calculate the current month? I will create a parameter. I'll give a range. Let's give this name as current month. The values will vary from minimum 1, maximum 12, step size of 1. Click OK. Let's convert this to integer. Click OK. Right click, show parameter control. You can see that I can choose the current month. Let's say I'm selecting 8. So it is August. So I selected month as August. After that, we'll write one logic, which is nothing but current month's sales. Now, current month sales, how will I find out? Sum of if current month is equal to month of order date, then sales end. So basically we are comparing here current month with the month of order date. So what is the value selected in this parameter? The value selected is 8. So 8 will get compared with month of order date, and once 8 is equal to 8, it will give me the sales value. So it will give me the current month sales value, that is the month of August sales value. I click OK. I get this calculated field. I'll drag this here. So this is nothing but my current month's sales for individual region. After that, we will calculate my worst month sales. So now how will I find the worst month sales? I will apply LOD. I will create a calculated field for worst month's sales. That is nothing but fixed region, because I want the sales by region, the worst sales of that region. So fixed region, month of order date, colon, sum of sales. This is my fixed calculated field, and on top of that, which value I'm looking for? I'm looking for the minimum sales out of it. So it will fix all the values by region and month and fetch out the minimum sales, that is my worst month's sales. I click OK and I'll put it here. You can see that this is my worst month sales, which is 8,211, 14,781, here 13,891, and so on. And this is the best sales, which is 25,000, which is like current month sales, not best sales, but 25,559, and so on. Once we get these two values, let's make this part, the current month sales, as circle. Let's increase the size. This is my current month sales, and this one, let's make it as Gantt. After that, I will create another calculated field, which is period over period sales. To create that period over period sales, I will create a calculated field. That is nothing but sum of if current month is equal to month of order date, then sales end. minus, I want to subtract this with previous month sales, because this is period over period sales. So how will I subtract previous month sales? Sum of if current month minus 1 is equal to month of order date, then sales. This is my previous month sales. So current month sales minus previous month sales is my period over period sales, and I will put this period over period sales in the circle. So I'll put this period over period sales in color, and let me make this color as only two color. If it is negative, then orange. If it is positive, then blue. You can see that this shows me the period over period sales. That means current month sales is actually minus $6,554 less than previous month sales. That is why the color is orange. That means this month I actually did not get more sales as compared to previous month. If you see the blue ones, current month for East region is $7,783 more than the previous month. So that is how this dots are getting colored. After that, we'll create the last calculation, which is nothing but performance range. How will I find the performance range? I'll create a calculated field. And here I will write best, or first of all, I'll have to create one more calculated field, that is best month sales. And to find the best month sales, I just have to duplicate this minimum, the worst month, which we have created, the worst month sales. Just duplicate this and edit it. In place of worst, I will write best, and in place of minimum, I will write maximum. So maximum sales is my best month sales. Click OK. I get this best month sales. And finally, I will create a new calculated field, that is performance range, which is nothing but best month minus worst month. That means what is the best sales I had minus what is the worst sales I had. So performance range, that is nothing but best month sales minus worst month sales. And this performance range, I'll go to Gantt and I'll put this performance range in the size. So you can see that this is nothing but the range of sales happening for that region. You can see that the worst month sales is 8,211, and the best sales, if you want to check, this is the best value which we can put in here as well. And you can see that the best month sales is 76,833. So the range is nothing but 76,833 minus 8,211, that is nothing but 68,622. That is the performance range. So this size of this bar is actually showing me what is the minimum minus maximum difference. So minimum sales, which I will subtract with maximum sales of that month or that region, and it will give me the width. Now what I will do, I'll just reduce the size of this bar. You can see I'm making it as thin. I'll increase the size of this circle a bit bigger. And finally, I'll apply dual axis and synchronize the axis. And also right click, move marks to front. And you can see that a beautiful chart, which is known as ranged dot plot, is coming up here. Now this is a very, very intuitive chart. You can see that this is the entire range of the month. This is the minimum and my maximum minus minimum sales, which is the range. This circle is the current month sales, and this dark color means that this month sales is less than the previous month. If I change the months, you can see that the plots will change, obviously, because the values are changing. But this range will be fixed because this range is the fixed range for each region. So this will never change, but the dots will change because dots are nothing but each month sales. And if you see this blue ones, because it means that there is no negative sales coming in here. There is no negative difference in the sales coming in here. That's why this is a blue color, which is like the difference between current month and previous month is not negative, it is positive. When you will get the orange dots, it will be the negative one. So period over period sales will become negative. In this scenario, my period over period sales my period over period sales is positive. So when you see the color as blues, that means the sales are positive, which is like if my current month sales is 1000, next month sales is 3000. So I will get the negative sales, that is like this. If my current month sales is 1000 and next month sales is 5000, so next month color will be blue in color. So that is how you can create this range dot plots.